So we're going to be installing flexible hose onto the diaphragm pump's exit port. So it comes with this type of fitting, and so the fitting has a little gasket to secure it in place. But you know, this is a silicone tubing versus the other tubings that we've been using, just vinyl, whatever, flexible hoses. Try to cut it square as much as you can. I mean flat, so it fits properly. But anyways, just put that as so, and then coerce it in as far deep inside as you can. And so then this should, you know, shimmy this in place. And of course, obviously this goes here, which I didn't do correctly, but no worries. Put it on the other end of the pipe. Right on. So yeah, so this is going to create pressure in between the fitting and the tubing, so it doesn't unravel. So then you just screw this in place, and it's going to shove that gasket and create a tight seal, so it doesn't come out on you. Yeah, I'll do it, and then you know it's not going to come out. Pretty secure. I think I've talked about this thing before, so you know that's just prevents your fittings from unscrewing. Remember, this has a lot of vibrations and things like that, so this is one of the safety features in this fitting. And you have a ball valve in there. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see that, but there you go.